Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate Hey Siri, which will trigger Siri Assistant by just saying Hey Siri out loud. Go to Settings, then click on Siri, and now go to Listen for, and you can choose Siri or Hey Siri, or set it to off, and I'm gonna click on Siri or Hey Siri and then continue. And now let's configure it. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Now it's configured. Let's press on done. And now whenever I say Hey Siri, it should bring up Hey Siri. So let's say Hey Siri, how's the weather today?
Expect partly cloudy skies today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 25 degrees, with overnight lows around 13.
And you can see that Siri works. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.